Math Wizards! Before we start the trick, let's get ready. You will need a piece of paper and a pencil to keep track. If you like, you can even grab a calculator. Don't worry, you can pause this video anytime if you need more thinking time. Okay, do you have your supplies? Are you ready? Let's go! I am about to read your mind using math. Think of a number. Do not say it out loud. Got it? Good. Keep that number in your head. Now, multiply your number by 2. Next, add the following number, 6. Now, divide your total by 2. Finally, subtract your initial number. Focus on your answer. I am reading your mind. Your answer is 3. Let us try again. Maybe that was just luck. Think of a new number, a different one this time. Multiply it by 2. Now add 10. Now divide your total by 2. And finally, subtract your original number. Focus on your answer. I am reading your mind again. Your answer is 5. Okay, one last time. Think of one more number, a different one. Multiply it by 2. Now add 14. Now divide your total by 2. And finally, subtract your original number. I am reading your mind again. Your answer is 7. Okay, I am not actually reading your mind. It is even better. I am using math to control the answer.
What?
Let us call your secret number n for number. You doubled it. That becomes 2n. Then you added a number. We will call that number x. X can be anything I choose.
Here is exactly what you say to your friend. First, ask them to think of a number. We'll call their secret number n. Next, tell them to multiply it by 2. Now, in math terms, their secret has become 2n. Now, this is where you take control. Ask them to add a number that you choose. Let's call your number x. Now they have 2n plus x. Tell them to divide the total by 2. This is the clever part. It splits everything in half, leaving them with their original n, plus half of your number x. Finally, ask them to subtract their original number. Since they are taking away that starting n, it vanishes. Their secret number is gone. And they are left with the only thing remaining. The final answer will always be x divided by 2.
And just like that, the magic is actually just beautiful logic. Now it's your turn. Go try this on your friends or family, select your x, and watch their minds blow.
Cool.
I will see you in the next lesson. On Mindful Moments, kids. Goodbye.